In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use streak freeze in Duolingo. If you're someone who loves keeping that streak going but occasionally finds that life gets in the way, this feature can be a lifesaver. So, let's dive in and take a thorough look at how you can maintain your language learning streak on Duolingo, even when you're unable to practice for a day. First, let's start by explaining what streak freeze is all about. As a dedicated Duolingo user, you probably know the satisfaction of seeing your streak number climb higher and higher as you practice every day. However, real life can sometimes interfere with even the best plans. Streak freeze allows you to preserve that achievement for a day when you might not be able to log in and complete your daily practice. It's like a safety net for your hard-earned streak. Now, to activate streak freeze, you'll need to ensure you have enough gems or lingots, which are the in-app currencies on Duolingo. If you're on your phone, open the Duolingo app and locate the shop icon. It usually resembles a cart or a treasure chest. On the desktop, the shop can be found in a similar manner. In the shop, browse through the list of available items until you find streak freeze. Its icon is typically distinguishable, making it easy to identify. Once you've located the streak freeze option, you'll see the cost associated with it. If you have enough gems or lingots, you can proceed to purchase the streak freeze by tapping or clicking on it. A confirmation will appear to ensure you are okay with the purchase, so just confirm, and you've got it. One important point here, remember to buy streak freeze before you actually miss a day of practice. It's proactive, meaning you can't activate it retroactively once a day is already skipped. Upon purchasing, the streak freeze will automatically activate the next time you miss a day of practice. So, if life gets busy and you are unable to log in, rest assured that your streak is safely frozen for that day, ready to continue when you return. However, keep in mind that you can only have one streak freeze at a time. This means you should buy another one once your current streak freeze has been used. It's pretty intuitive once you get the hang of it. In conclusion, using streak freeze is an excellent way to protect your language learning progress on those days when practicing isn't possible. With this tool at your disposal, you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing you won't lose your streak due to unforeseen circumstances. So, go ahead and give it a try, and see how it can fit into your learning journey. Thanks for watching, and keep up the great work on your language learning adventure with Duolingo.